Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make custom stickers for social media in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application. Next, I'm going to show you how to start creating your design in Canva. The first way is to create a design from scratch by clicking on the create a design button at the top right corner of the screen. And the next thing is to click on the search bar. So click in the search bar and describe your design. So describe the kind of design that you want, and it's going to take you to a world of templates that you can choose from. Now, these templates are going to facilitate and enhance your creativity process through really easy steps. So in this search bar, all I'm going to do is to type custom stickers for social media. And here you go. So these are the templates, really beautiful, awesome templates. But there is something that you need to know, that not all the templates are free to access, because most of them are labeled pro, meaning you have to upgrade your plan before you can have access to them. But some of them are not labeled pro. It means that they are free. So how do you get a sticker, like custom sticker? Let's see. I think I'm getting what I want, so I'm just look for social media and like custom stickers. Okay, so this is stickers. They're available. So what kind of sticker do you want? Do you want a thank you sticker or Christmas sticker, or trying to check of what we can do, or a thank you sticker? Let's say this is my Christmas, so just click on that. So this is a really amazing sticker. Oh, even this. You can customize this template. And that takes you to the Canva studio. So let's just quickly customize this. Okay, this is not free. Okay, I changed that because that's not free. So for supporting my small business, thank you. And you can even like send this to anybody. So here I can just change this word, double click to being my best person in the world. Click out. So I can see that this needs to be adjusted. So let's say I adjust it to 11, or click on 10 to change the font size, help you know what I'm doing. So I'm going to click on this again and repeat the same. For being the most thoughtful being in my life. Click out. You can see that's a lot, so I'm going to reduce this to 8. It's too small. 10, too wide, but I'm going to drag this down. So here I'm going to say this is going to expand. So I'm going to drag this to expand, and it's not expanding. So I'm going to leave it there and just allow it to form a smile. So I'm allowing this to form a smile, but technically we're going to do something about it. So what I'm going to do about this love now has to move. So click on it and then use one hand to hold your mouse pad and use the other hand to hold the left button of your mouse and move this love symbol. So do the same thing here. Just drag and drop, drag and drop. That's all you need. Drag and drop, drag and drop. No, just add a place. So that's how that's gonna look like now. So this circle, I can click on this circle and to even expand this circle. Okay, so I don't think the second circle is necessary, so I'm just gonna have to click on the second one. No, it's not clicking. There's another circle there. Okay, so let me just move this circle right and catch this one. Did you notice that this is not catching? Okay. I'm gonna head over to color to change the color. Okay, so let's say that's the design. I'm just clicking on Ctrl Z to bring my circle back in shape. I don't think it's bad, but I don't like that circle. Okay, I'm going to click on elements. So blue background, and I'm going to search a blue background that is fine that I can use. Click on that. So I'm just going to have to click on this three dots menu and set images background. Oh, set images background. So means there's something wrong. That circle at the back is just adamant. It's making me cringe because it's not even clicking up. Okay, you know what? So I'm just gonna have to leave it like that because I'm struggling to have. So this is like thank you, and I can change this to double click. I love you. Take this word very personal, and so this can be made a sticker. All right, so all you just need to do is to save. Just click on share and click on download. Check your download setting and save it, and once you save it, you can now share it to that favorite person in the world that you know, to your favorite person. So that's it. So you can go by start from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.